Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to learn how to solve for x and y simultaneously. So we have y plus 2 equals to x and y equals to x squared minus x minus 10. So we'll take this equation as our equation 1 and this as our equation 2, right? So first step, I want to write this equation 1 in terms of y, so I can substitute the equation into this second equation and find my x, right? Therefore, we have from equation 1 y plus 2 equals to x, right? Then taking this term to the side, obviously it will change the sign, so we're going to have y equals to x minus 2. So this will be our equation 3, right? Then from here, looking at equation 2, we're going to substitute the equation 3 into equation 2. So from equation 2, sorry, not 3, from equation 2, we have y equals to certain terms. So in this regard, we're going to take this y and substitute it by this terms because y equals to this term, right? So y, instead of y, we're going to write this term. This is x minus 2 equals to this terms right here, that is x squared minus x minus 10, right? Then from here we're going to solve for x. So we're going to take these two terms to this other side, and to do that we're going to be left with 0 this side, so that is 0 equals to, I'm going to start by writing all these terms, x squared minus x minus 10. Then take these terms to the other side, that is positive x becomes negative x when it goes to the side, and negative 2 becomes positive 2 when it goes to the other side also, right? Then from here we're going to write the like terms and add them up. So we're going to have 0 equals to x squared stands as it is, negative x add negative x is negative 2x, and negative 10 add positive 2 is negative 8, right? Then from here I'm going to write this equation in a very proper format, equals to 0. I just took this 0 to the other side, right? So now I'm going to factorize these terms, and to do that, since we have a coefficient of 1, we can find the perfectors of 8, which are 4 and 2. Then we're going to use these perfectors to factorize, that is, write x and x equals to 0. So our middle term sign is negative 2, so the bigger number is going to take the negative sign, so it's going to be negative 4 and plus 2, right? Then from here we're going to solve for x, that is x minus 4 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. Then this becomes x. The negative 4 goes to this side, changes the sign, becomes 4. And then, or this positive sign, positive 2 goes to the other side, it becomes a negative. This is x equals to negative 2. And these are your x values. Since we found our x values, we're going to substitute these x values into our y equation. So our y equation in this regard is this one, equation 3. We're going to take the x values and substitute into this equation. So let me just take down those values we've got. Let me copy this. And put them up there. Right? So these are our x values. So we're going to substitute these values into this equation. So to do that, this is the equation: y equals to x minus 2. So the first one is x equals to 4. So doing that, we have at x equals to 4, y equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Then at x equals to negative 2, y equals to negative 2 minus 2, substituting the x there, equals to negative 4. Right? So our y values are, let me copy this, and put it down here. Right? So these are our y values. So we have x equals to 4, y equals to 2, x equals to negative 2, and y equals to negative 4. Right? So these are your values.